Lot of action going on the radar. Saw it really affecting so many places, KJ.
That's right, but we want to start with this beauty shot. This is a live look right now. If you take a closer look at your screen, you can see it. We have the rainbow. So yes, we have that little glimmer of hope despite the gloomy sky conditions out there now. As we take a live look from Kannapolis, you can see the ball field there on a day like today. Yeah, no games are happening today. As I'm tracking some severe weather, notice we have a severe thunderstorm warning. This is in effect for Cabarrus, Mecklenburg, and Union counties until 7 p.m. You can see a cluster of storms moving at about 10 miles per hour, now starting to converge on Uptown now. This will eventually move into Matthews right along 485 there, and this will continue to push off towards the east at about 10 miles per hour. If you take a close look at your screen right here, you can almost see this outflow boundary. This is an indication that we're going to have more of these cells developing. They'll likely converge right there, head towards Midlands, right where those counties meet between Cabarrus, Union, and Mecklenburg counties, right along that county line. So just heads up, we have some heavy rain and lightning and some winds that could be strong and produce damage embedded within these cells. In addition to that, we've already had some reports of hail in the area upwards of 1 inch in diameter. Taking a wider look across the area, we have some lighter showers for those of you up into the mountains right now. Some ongoing showers in and around the Hickory area, and that once severe thunderstorm over near Shelby. We still have some storms out there, but no longer meeting that severe criteria. And we have a cluster of storms over near Waysboro and the Rockingham area. Those are not severe, but heads up, they could still produce some damage. This is all due to this stationary front. So anytime we have a front like this stalled out across the area in this type of environment, this is going to be that trigger point and cause these showers and thunderstorms to develop and tap into all that moisture we had today. Likely you felt the heat and humidity today, so now it's transformed in some showers and thunderstorms and coming down to the ground. Now let's turn to the tropics. We have Tropical Storm Idalia. This is continuing to make its way through the Yucatan Channel, moving into the southern parts of the Gulf of Mexico, eventually making its way towards the north. We already have tropical weather alerts in effect for the west coast of Florida. This will likely have impacts on parts of Florida, especially around the Big Bend region, as models are indicating it is going to move in this direction towards the north. But right now that forward speed is about 3 miles per hour. There's a lot of uncertainty with this particular storm right now, just because it's not even moving, so we don't have a lot of forward speed and to see how it's going to organize. But right now it is likely to continue to strengthen and develop and make its way towards the north, and this system could bring some rain to the Piedmont as we move towards the second half of the week. So the timing could shift, but right now we're looking at Wednesday into Thursday. Primarily Thursday is the day that we're trying to hone in on, but that could change and we could pick up several inches of rainfall over the next 7 days. And some of this rain, especially most of this rain over the next 7 days, will come before we even get the tropical system. So we could pick up nearly 4 inches before Idalia even makes its way into the Carolinas. So with that in mind, be mindful of that flood risk between now and Thursday. So watch out for some of those areas with a saturated ground that could cause some issues out there. Let's take a look at the rainfall through tonight. Scattered showers and thunderstorms should begin to dissipate after midnight, but cannot rule out a lingering shower and thunderstorm after midnight. Tomorrow morning, we'll have a foggy start to the day, a little bit of light rain early on. This is tomorrow afternoon at 3 p.m. We can expect a few more scattered showers and thunderstorms, and this trend will continue into Tuesday. So we'll have waves of showers and storms over the next few days. CMS back to school tomorrow. A much cooler start to the first day of school at 84. That trend continues, so cooler and wetter outlook for much of the week. So have the umbrellas with you throughout the week ahead.